Welcome students to Class 5 Maths Lesson 2 Addition and Subtraction Solutions to the Worksheet 2.3. First question in the worksheet was 604892 minus 498235. So when we start solving it, it is always better to write the place values on top. We will start with the ones place. In ones column we have 2 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we will take a borrow from the neighbor, which is 9. So we'll cut 9 and write 8 on top. And we'll cut 2 and make it 12. Now why did we make it 12? Because when 1 from there, when it comes to ones column, that 1 from tens column becomes 10 ones. And 10 ones plus 2 of the ones column make it 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then in the tens column, 8 minus 3 is 5. Next in the hundreds column we have 8 minus 2, which is 6. Then in the thousands column we have 4 minus 8. So for this also we'll have to borrow from the neighbor. But what do we have in the neighbor? We have 0. Then 0 will first borrow from its neighbor, which is 6. So we'll cut 6, write 5 on top. Then we'll cut 0 and write 10. And this 10 also we will cut and make it 9 and give 1 to 4. So 4, now we'll cut 4 and make it 14. Now 14 minus 8, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. So our answer is 106657. Question 2, 362517 minus 75695. For the second one, I have directly written the answer. I have also mentioned where we have borrowed and how many times we have borrowed, so that you can cross-check your answer at every step. Here the answer is 286822. Question 3, 4521691 minus 2820295. And when you subtract, you will get the answer as 1701396. Question 4, 9053627 minus 6053982. And when you subtract, you get the answer as 2999645. Question 5, find the difference. 523623 minus 326587. And when you subtract, you get the answer as 4909644. Now here, since the question was written in a straight line and given to you, you have to make sure that you write it properly under correct place values. And when you write the numbers according to the place value, you will see that these numbers are right aligned. Right aligned means the blank space that is left when you write the numbers one below the other will be on the left side. In this particular case, you can see for the second number, 10 lakh column is blank. And why they are right aligned? They are right aligned. Why? Because the second number is only 6 digit. So it will have all places from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s to lakhs occupied. It will have 10 lakh column as blank. Question 6. Find the difference between 8542265 and 7652359. Check the answer. So in this question, you will subtract, find the answer. Answer comes out to be 889906. You have to check the answer also. That means now this number 889906 you will add to 7652359. We should get 854265 as the answer. So if we are getting that answer, that means our calculations are correct. Let us do the check part. Here we'll add 765239 and 889906. We'll start from the ones column. 9 plus 6, 15. Now we'll not write the entire 15 at the bottom of ones column. We will write 1 at the top of tens column and 5 at the bottom of ones column. Then we have 5 plus 1, 6. After that we have 3 plus 9, 12. 1 will go at the top of thousands column and 2 will come at the bottom of hundreds column. Then 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 1 of the carry will be 12. 1 at the top of 10,000 column and 2 at the bottom of thousands column. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 at the top of lakhs column and 4 at the bottom of 10,000 column. Then 6 plus 8, 14. Plus 1, 15. 1 at the top of 10 lakh column and 5 at the bottom. 7 plus 1, 8. Now this is the same number with which we had started. And that means our calculations are correct. Question 7. Look at the pattern and write the next two terms. Now here if you see the terms 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. The other term is 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. And the next term is 2, 3, 5, 5, 4. Now these terms are in descending order. That means they are decreasing in number. Now you cannot add something and get the next number. Now you have to subtract and then get the next number because the next number is smaller. Now what number you will subtract? For that, let us first find the difference between the first two. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 minus 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 which is 7. Let us cross check it once again and find the difference between the second and the third term. That should also come out to be 7. So the difference between 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3, 5, 5, 4 is 7. Now we will subtract 7 from 2, 3, 5, 5, 4. And we get 2, 3, 5, 4, 7. Now to get the next number, we will again subtract 7 from 2, 3, 5, 4, 7 and we will get 2, 3, 5, 4, 0. This completes our pattern. This brings us to the end of solutions of worksheet 2.3. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get an update as soon as I upload a video for you. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.